Today I want to talk to you about one of the main concerns homeowners have regarding water or dampness in their basement or crawl space, and that's mold. What causes it and how to get rid of it. In order for mold to grow, it needs two things: dead organic material and moisture. The purpose of mold is to break down and eat dead organic material to get rid of it. That's what mold does well. The problem is our basements and crawl spaces are filled with organic material that it can destroy. A high concentration of mold in these areas can affect the health of the residents inside the home by causing allergies, asthma, and even respiratory issues. Since we can't empty our homes of organic material, the only factor that we can control is the moisture and humidity in our homes. You see, mold needs a moisture content of about 55 to 60% for it to grow. Therefore, if you want to control mold and create a healthier home for your family, then you need to control the moisture and humidity in the basement or crawl space. So if you're concerned about mold in any of these areas, give us a call. We'd be happy to help and restore your peace of mind.